Okay, now let's graph this function y equals 3 cosine 2x plus pi over 2. So we rewrite it there 3 cosine, take a common factor out, 2x, then plus this one pi over 2, we divide 2, so equal pi over 4. So pi over 4, okay, here. So now we graph here, we note here this function cosine, this part, the period should be 2 pi. So we should, but this, the not only have one, if it is this, if it's only cosine x, this period is 2 pi. But now they not only x, they have many things inside, so their period have changed. So their period should be here, period. Two times x plus pi over 4. The period should be 2 pi totally. So x plus pi over 4, period should be 2 pi over 2, over, not here. Divide 2, so it's pi. Amplitude is here, 3. Any number here, this amplitude, maybe it's 3, maybe negative 3, maybe something, maybe 1 over 2 or something. Anyway, just copy this number, is 3. So how about this one? The start point, normally, if a cosine x start point from 0, but now it's not from 0 again. So x plus 4 pi over 4. Original should be 0, but now should be x equal x plus 1 over 4 equals 0. So x to x equal negative pi over 4. So move negative pi over 4. Okay, now we graph them. Zero, pi, 2 pi, x, y. So original is here. Start point from 1. So cosine 0 equal here 0. Cosine 0 equal 1. Here 1 over 2 pi. Cosine pi over 2 is here, is 0. Start from 1, but here is 0. And pi, cosine pi equal here. -1. Here. Three pi over 2 cosine 3 pi over 2 is here. Should be negative. Should be 0, not negative. 0 here. And 2 pi. 2 pi is here. 2 pi is same equal 0. 0 is 1. Okay, now we know all the point. Okay, then we graph the period changes to pi. Then move to left. This should be 1 over 4 pi. And here 1 over 4 pi negative. So here should be 3 over 4 pi. Okay, here period have changed to pi. Start point should be from here. Start point negative pi over 4, but the amplitude should be 3. So here 1 times 3 is 3. 1, 2, 3. Start point. Start point here. Then second point. Second point should be 0. 0 times 3 is still 0. 0 here. And this part should be -3. 1, 2, 3. -3 here. And here should be 3. 3. And here they move to left to 1 over 4 pi should be here. And here should another point. Okay, this is their graph.